What a messy, messy place you got. Hey, good morning, dear friends. Who we got here this morning on this rainy morning? Hi, good morning, baby. Hi there, Puppy Joe. Hi there, sweet girl. It's a sweet girl. Hey, little man. Briscoe. Briscoe is a baby boy. Look at that beautiful coloring. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing, spoiled? Oh, hey, Jax. And look at this face. Oh my goodness. Hi, good morning. Hey, hey, Derby. Hey. Well, I'm glad you're frisky this morning, little Mr. Moochie. Little Mr. Moochie. Y'all made a big old mess in here. I've got to clean up. Can I have my coffee first? How about that? Grandma needs coffee first. Yeah, we've got a rainy day going today. So today we're just going to clean things up and we're going to like cut the babies loose in the living room and see how that goes. Look at them. They're just all so precious. Mama's getting back in shape. Everybody's hot trotting around. All right, y'all be safe out there. Please, please. Woo! Okay. Sorry. All right, bye.